Okay guys, let's take a look at this Stihl 020 Super for Mr. Obsolete. He was looking for a nice little top handle saw, so here it is. So we'll sort of take a look at it, see what she looks like, see if we can get it running. I haven't done anything to it, haven't looked at it at all, so let's take a look at her. Looks pretty decent for the most part. It's got a spot back here that looks like they tried to fix with some putty or something, but other than that, so first thing, let's get this bar and chain off of here. Oh, wrong size. Yeah, this looks like a cool little saw. Okay, bar nuts. Side cover. Ew, nasty. She was rode hard and put away wet. It's got a nice little, I think that's 3/8 chain, hopefully. Yeah, pretty sure it's 3/8 low profile, which is good. That's easy to get. This chain's not too bad. We could sharpen it, but I might put a new one on too. Nice little bar. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Okay. So yeah, like I've shown you before, I like to sort of break them down, take them apart, blow them out. So let's get that done. We'll get the starter off on this side. I'm not even sure how it comes off. Let's see, let's take the air filter cover off. The 020. I'll have to look that up and see what year these things are and how many cc's. What? That's it for the air cleaner? Just a screen? Oh, come on, there gotta be something else. Really? I'm guessing maybe it had some flocking on it at one time. Yeah, I can see some remnants. We'll have to get a new filter. So I'm guessing you gotta take these nuts off and these screws here, and this whole thing comes off. That's my assumption. Get those nuts off. I got one of these little magnetic trays. Those are sort of nice. Holds all your stuff. Let's get the handle off. That one I need to get that off of there. Maybe. That's how it comes off. Okay. Take these screws out. Okay, I finally got it apart, guys. So yeah, there was a screw here, a hidden screw in here behind the spark plug wire, here. Actually, I think that one can stay. And then the two front ones here. Now you can pop the motor out. See, look at that. Whoa. Crazy. Where's the oh, it's one of those deals. It's like one of those McCulloch Mini Max. When you put it together, the fuel line sticks in that hole right there. Can you see it? Interesting. So yeah, where is that fuel line that sticks in there? Oh. See, there's the little fuel line that sticks in. Oh, it's part of the carburetor. Interesting. Ew, this thing was dirty, so yeah, it's a good thing we took her apart. She needed some cleaning. Paws are a little sticky. See, that one moves good. This one don't. Look at that. And so, I went through all this taking apart, and now, hopefully this thing is, hopefully she's good. I haven't even looked in the muffler yet. Maybe we should take a look before we get too crazy here, huh? Make sure this thing's not like a piece of garbage. That's sort of nice. The muffler's just right there. Boom. So let's take a little peek at her. Just a little peek, and then I'll put the muffler back on, and then we'll blow it all off and assess the situation here. Okay. Muffler looks pretty good. It's not all clogged up. Okay, the moment of truth. Two rings. Oh yeah, she's in good shape. Thank God. Can you see it? She's a nice one. Okay, so let me get this all cleaned up, and then we'll come back and. Okay, guys, I got her all cleaned up. Boy, that looks a lot better. Got the side cover all cleaned up, and the starters all clean and lubed. Nice. Ooh, look at that. Cool. Got the side cover, clutch cover cleaned. Nice. So, one thing I wanted to check also before we get too far here. Let's check and see if we got spark. Ooh. She was a titan. Oh man, that looks fairly new. Nice little Bosch spark plug. Let's see if we got spark. So then, if we got spark, all we gotta do is do the carburetor up on this thing and put it back together. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah! Perfect spark. You see that, guys? Oh man, that's some good spark. All right. This thing is gonna be a runner. Okay, let's take a look at this carburetor. Okay, so here's our little Walbro carb, guys. It just comes off on these studs and the boot stays there. See that? So that's all it is. It just goes on there like that onto those studs. So, and it's held on with two little nuts. So we'll put a kit in this carb, and then we'll start putting it back together. Okay, got it all cleaned up. Got the muffler all cleaned up. Got the carb kit in it. Look at that, that's crazy. The carburetor sits right next to the flywheel. That's pretty crazy, huh? That's some craziness. And then, yeah, this half's clean. I already showed you that. So, now we can start putting it back together. Okay, let's see if we can get this motor back in its case. So, let's see. This fuel line has to stick back in there. So, let's get this. Make sure I didn't forget anything, because I usually do. I oiled up the pawls. Those are working better. So yeah, I think we can slide it in. Let's do it. Get in there. See, this one maybe can go here. This one here. Come on, get in there. Okay, there's two. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. And we got our two nuts here. So there's that. Make sure the starter's engaged. Let's see. Screws for that are here. Nope. Maybe this one? Yep. And this one. Starter works good. Okay. Now what? Got that screw, got that screw. Was there any in the bottom? Just this one here. There we go, it started. Nice. Okay. And then there was a screw that goes into this. Which was right. Like that. And that's this little guy right here. Okay. Put our spark plug wire on. What do we got left? Top handle. So this goes like this. And we got to hook up the throttle linkage. Like that. Okay, now we can put the handle on. Handleage. This goes like this. Like that. That's our guy. Trigger lock works. Nice. Nice. Woohoo! Look at that. She's ready. Yeah, no screws left over, just the bar nut. So that's a good sign. Let's see if this little thing will fire up. Let's give her a little drink, just to see if it'll do something. External choke, that's cool. Okay, let's see if she'll fire. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, now I think I gotta run to the store and get some more fuel. Okay, I'm back, guys. Holy shnikes, $28.99 for a gallon of this stuff. That's getting ridiculous. I might have to go back to mixing my own. I got lazy there for a while and was buying this stuff. Jeez, 30 bucks for a gallon of fuel. That's ridiculous. Okay, let's fuel this thing up and see if it runs. Okay, let's see what she does. Give her the throttle lock. Let's give her a little drink. I think she's almost ready. Almost had her idling. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Okay, I got her running, guys, but now she has an ignition problem. So yeah, if you can see, if you can look right there, the plug wire's burned and brittle right there. And watch this, when it runs, it sort of shorts it out, watch. Oh, come on. See? So we gotta find another spark plug wire. So, but she runs though. She oils good too. Look at that oily mess. I'm gonna have to turn the oil down a little bit on this thing. So, gotta find some ignition parts. Gotta fix up this bar and chain. So, we'll get that on the next episode, guys. All right, she's getting there. We'll catch you on the next one.